and when this position C is observed, the angle of elevation is coming out to be 30 degree. Now initially the angle of elevation is 60 degree, that is angle DAE, and at final angle BAC is the 30 degree. Elevation figure we have drawn, we have written A is the point on the ground, E is the initial situation, C is the final situation. The time taken by the plane from reaching point E to C is how much? 15 seconds. The angle of elevation of a jet plane from a point A on the ground is 60 degrees, situation number 1. After a flight of 15 seconds, that means the time taken by the plane from E to C is how much? 15 seconds. The angle of elevation is changes to 30 degree. If jet is flying at a constant height, and which is also given, that is what? 1500 root 3. That is height ED is 1500 root 3 meter. And word constant is used. It means that height CB is also 1500 root 3 meters. There are two situations. This is something, the figural expression of the problem. Now they want to know what is the speed of the plane. If you want to answer what is the speed of the plane, the formula for finding the speed everybody knows. The speed is equal to distance upon time. Time is given 15 seconds and distance covered by the plane is EC. And we know distance EC is same as distance BD. So ultimately what we would like to do, we would like to calculate distance BD. I am writing here introduction, the way of solving the question. Let A is the point of observation, E is initial position, E is initial position, C is position after 15 seconds, C is position after 15 seconds, and the constant height ED is equals to CB is equals to 1500 root 3 meter, and distance, we can say distance covered in 15 seconds EC is equals to BD. Now if we take first triangle ADE, in triangle ADE, if we apply tan 60, we will say tan 60 is equals to ED upon AD, that is perpendicular upon base. Formula of tan 60, the value of tan 60 is root 3. The answer of ED constant height is 1500 root 3 upon AD. If I cross multiply, I will get the answer of AD is 1500 meter. Now AD is obtained what? 1500 meter. Now we will go to use the second triangle where angle 30 degree is given, that is the triangle ABC. Now in triangle, we will write now in triangle ABC, angle is how much? 30 degree. Perpendicular is how much? That is CB, 1500 root 3. So we will say tan 30 degree is equals to 1500 root 3 upon AB. Now the tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals to 1500 root 3 upon AB, which implies answer of AB is coming out to be 4500 meter. We have calculated AB is 4500 meter, and AD is how much? We have calculated 1500 meter. If I subtract the answer of AD from AB, if we subtract it, we will get the distance BD, and distance BD is the same as EC, and EC is the distance covered by the plane in 15 seconds. So if I subtract it, I will get distance BD is equals to 3000 meter. But we know this distance BD is equals to EC. EC is also is equal to 3000 meter, and speed of the jet, that is speed is equal to distance upon time. So speed of jet distance 3000 meter, time 15 seconds. So 3000 upon 15, this is coming answer as 200 meter per second. So the speed of the jet plane in the given situation is 200 meter per second. Very much clear. So to solve any problem of the heights and distances, first of all, read problem very carefully according to step by step, make the correct figure. After making the figure, know what you want to calculate. After knowing it, apply the trigonometry as per sine, cos or tan, whatever is required, and then go to calculate step by step the value of the final thing, final answer. Similarly, we will discuss with you some more examples. Now I am taking one different type of example where some conditions are given, and again we will read the problem carefully, we will draw the diagram, we will apply the steps and get the answer. The example is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower as seen from 2 points A and B at distances P and Q from the base of the tower are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is root PQ. This is a one read in one go. Now step by step we will read and we will draw the correct diagram. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. Suppose this is the ground first and this is the tower. Suppose this is M and this point is N, or whatever point we want to select, we can select. We can see here, suppose this is point C, this is point D. A and B are 2 points on the ground on which the tower is stand, that is tower CD. I have written here tower. I can assume its height is suppose H. CD is the tower of height H standing on the ground. On this ground there are 2 points A and B. The distances of these points from the foot, from the base of the tower are P and Q. This distance, AC distance is P units and BC distance is Q units. As question says, the angles of elevation, the angles of elevations of the top of tower as seen from 2 points A and B at a distances of P and Q from the base of the tower are complementary.